So let's go over what you are going to learn in this course. The real fountain of youth. No, I'm not talking about turning a 60-year-old into a 20-year-old, but there is a missing piece that most people don't know about that has an amazing anti-aging effect. I'll talk about the discovery behind the real fountain of youth and what you need to do to experience the real fountain of youth for yourself. In Section 3, you are going to learn all about the keys to preventing sagging skin. We will talk about how to correct the biggest cause of sagging skin and the anti-aging miracle of vitamin C. Yes, you can prevent sagging skin. For me, this is huge. I don't mind laugh lines or crow's feet, but for me, sagging skin is enemy number one. In Section 4, you will learn all about oxygenating the cells. When you get more oxygen in the cells, you reduce inflammation, the number one cause of aging. I am going to show you my secret for increasing red blood cell production. It is a special tea that oxygenates the blood, which in turn nourishes the skin from the inside out. I will also share the missing nutrient crucial for health and beauty that also oxygenates the cells. Both of these will create more youthful-looking skin for you. Section 5 is all about my easy green solutions to anti-aging. I will teach you the anti-aging power of barley, the easy way to get your greens, most powerful anti-aging green food on the planet. Anything green contains chlorophyll, which is very similar in makeup to human blood. Chlorophyll oxygenates and detoxes the blood. Detoxing the toxins out is a key component to feeling good and looking good. The problem is you can't get enough greens or chlorophyll from your daily diet. But don't worry, I have 3 easy solutions for you. Section 6 is all about boosting the immune system and your mood. I'll go over the devastating deficiency that accelerates aging and the anti-aging remedy that affects the gut and the brain. When it comes to anti-aging and your long-term health, if you have a weak immune system, you will get sick more often and it could lead to a life-threatening illness. And did you know a weak immune system affects your mood? In Section 7, we'll go over the dietary secrets for glowing skin. Years ago, my mom came to visit, and I was like, "Mom, what have you done? You look amazing. Did you have work done on your face?" She confessed that she had been on a special diet for just 3 weeks. I could not get over the transformation. So I will share with you the dietary secrets that will have your skin glowing in no time. The anti-aging diet, shortcuts for an anti-aging diet, gluten-free for glowing skin, and good fats for glowing skin. Section 8, the forgotten anti-aging miracle. This strategy goes all the way back to ancient Egypt and still is used by the Ayurvedics of India. In fact, every culture on the planet has known about this anti-aging miracle. Some call it the Holy Grail for beauty and long-term health, and it is always a staple in my household. I will go over the 10 reasons to consume the forgotten anti-aging miracle and the anti-aging beauty treatments you can make with the forgotten anti-aging miracle. Section 9 is all about the importance of toxic-free skincare, makeup, and body care. I'll go over the beauty product trap and how to get the best bang for your beauty product buck. I want to make sure you know how to pick products that are beneficial and toxic-free. There is so much junk, even expensive junk on the market that actually accelerates aging, and I don't want you to fall into that trap. Section 10, gentle detoxing for health and beauty. You mention the word detox, and instantly most people think of crazy fasting diets. I don't like those diets. And you know what? My research has shown that what we really need is gentle detoxing every day. You're going to learn gentle colon cleanse made easy, luxurious Epsom salt baths, the anti-aging importance of sweating, gentle lemon water detox, and oil pulling for health and beauty. Section 11, the anti-aging attitude. Oh, I am such a big believer in this. You can do everything right, but if you don't have the right attitude, you will slow your anti-aging efforts way down. I will share some of my personal tips that help me maintain an anti-aging attitude. Morning pages, morning meditation, the gratitude car ride, and inspired activity. And lastly, you won't want to miss my very special bonus section, the Magic Anti-Aging Pill. I know it sounds too good to be true, but there are clinical trials that back up the amazing claims.